How to turn on voice directions on Apple Maps. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Over here, you're going to find different options. Scroll down, find the option Maps. Once you find it, open it. Now, scroll down. Over here, you will find this option of Spoken Directions. Open this option. Now, from here, you can easily enable voice directions for your Apple Maps. Firstly, you can go ahead and select the volume. If you want to set it to softer, normal, or louder, I'm going to set it to louder volume. Likewise, you will see the option Direction Pause Spoken Audio. Toggle on for it. This will pause content like podcasts and audiobooks during spoken directions. Likewise, toggle on for the option of Directions Wake Device. When driving or cycling, spoken directions wake the display if the device is locked. Toggle on for this option Directions on Radio. On cars that support it, hear spoken directions when you are listening to the radio. Once you enable for all these options, you have just turned on the voice directions on Apple Maps. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.